Ever wondered why your stomach growls the loudest when you're not even eating? That rumbling sound isn't just hunger, it's your digestive system at work. Scientists call it borborygmi. When your stomach and intestines contract to push food, liquid, and gas along, they create vibrations. If your stomach is empty, those sounds echo louder, making it feel like your body is shouting for food. But here's the twist. Your stomach actually growls all day, even when you're full. You just don't notice because the noise is muffled by food. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, remember, it's not embarrassment, it's biology keeping you alive.